with everything to lose. You can hear a pin drop filling up the room. Shadows in the sky, running out of time, drowning in the questions, who will live or die? Something's coming, I can feel it now, I can feel it. Something's coming, I can feel it now, I can feel it. It's the calm before the storm. 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 We were good, we were gold, kind of dream that can't be sold. We were right.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday. Wala naman masabi sa'yo. Alam mo naman kung gaano kita sinusuportahan sa lahat. Basta tandaan mo lang lagi, nandito lang ako. Ano mang mangyari sa atin.
I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand.
Boss, una sa lahat, salamat. Nandiyan ka. Salamat sa sweetness mo, sa kabaitan mo, at sa amin lahat. No? Bilang asawa, maunawain, at maintindihan tao. Pero pekunin.
Paint my nails cherry red.
Happy birthday, Ted. I wish you all the best in life and always good health. Happy birthday.
Hello, Bunso. Happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng mga tulong mo sa aming magkakapatid. You're blessed. Your success and good health. Happy birthday again.
I didn't wanna fight,
Very, very happy for you.
but then
I wish you
remembered
happiness.
Ito si Boss Ted, kakaiba. Pag sinabi, sinabi. Kailangan hindi ka na PPO. Wala din naman ako masabi sa'yo. Masuportat tao sa lahat ng bagay at maintindihin. Higit sa lahat yung hindi ka madamot sa kapwa mo. Basta dito lang ako, suportahan ta ka. Ha? Okay, boss? Saludo sa'yo.
Birthday, Ted. Wish you all the best. God bless you.
Happy birthday, sister. Love you. I just always here for you. I love you so much.
Hi, Sister Ted. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and happiness. I love you.
remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand.
Ngayong 45 ka na, enjoy mo lalo. Huwag mong kalimutan kung saan tayo nanggaling. Huwag mong kalimutan na lagi tayo mag-pray kay God na nagbigay sa atin ng mga blessings na napapanggap natin. Basta enjoy lang. Enjoy natin yung buhay natin. Happy birthday at alam mong gaano kita kamahal. Paglalaban kita kahit saan. Yun lang. Love you.
I can love